What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Here we have Mr. Box. I ended up getting the OEM hood. Is it up there? So I ended up getting an OEM hood, kouki hood, because I don't like this one. Not a big fan of it or anything. So we're just trying to take it apart. Or take this piece apart. Hopefully it has a latch. I do see the cable in here. So I hope it just has a latch in there to make things easier for me. If not, then let's see. Does it? It probably slides out. Nah. This is probably where the latch. Yeah. This is where it mounts to. Damn it.
We're gonna edit that part out.
Yeah. I don't like this. Unless we think somehow we could rig it to latch it. Because I don't want to run this hood.
We're just gonna need to buy a latch.
I mean, the latch, good thing
The cable is the harder part to find.
Yeah, good thing the cable is there. Let's see if the cable actually works though. I pull it. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I think we could put this thing on and somehow rig it up and just tie it, because I don't like this head at all. It's ugly. Let's see if we could take this thing off real quick and throw the other one on. Got the magic tool. Only snap on for me. I'm not gonna show you the rest of my tools though. That'll be in the next episode. My what's in my tool cart. But let me see. Jamar fixed a little leak. Oh, I do notice it. Yeah. It looks like it's coming out that plate though. Yeah. Should we loosen up the other side first? Or just both of these?
No, just both of those. Or leave one a little snug. I mean, not snug, but
Yeah,
a little loose. And leave it in there with a couple threads.
You're probably gonna have to hold up the hood. There you go. Hold on, hold on. There you go. Just throw it over the wall. Light? It's actually really low. Well, they cut the whole inside, that's yeah. That's that. Should I run it with no hood?
Yeah, fuck it.
This thing is pretty light. It's a fiberglass with the vents, but yeah, I don't like it. I think we might have to remove the pins, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them away.
Alright, let's remove that next. The latch. Let's remove there though. Oh yeah, it's a lot heavier. But it's a lot nicer.
Alright. This is all on you.
These aren't the red bolts for this.
Oh. Fail number one.
Fail number 2 because of the latch. These bolts are not the right ones for this, the hardware. Fail. How much was the latch on eBay?
50, 60 bucks.
It wasn't cheaper over there? I thought it was 40 something.
On the website that I found, like Nissan stuff, was cheaper, I think.
Got one out. I wonder where it could be leaking from. I see the bottom bolt seems like it's the one that's squirting out because there's 4 bolts and only the bottom one is squirting out. Out.
Something like this might be the one for that.
Think so? Much better. What do you think, Boombox?
Yeah, it is way better.
Actually, for being factory like primered or whatever it is, it's pretty matches pretty spot on. Much better than this ugly thing. Yeah. Hell yeah, I'm happy. I wish it came with it and I don't have to spend top dollar for this bad boy. Well, it's a pretty good idea to keep bolts around. I have a little box of bolts that I keep spare bolts and fits like a glove. Saved us a trip to Home Depot. There it is, it's mounted. The fitment is a little bad, but once the car gets painted or whatever, I'll have the body shop mess with that. But yeah, I'm way happier with this thing. I couldn't stand the other hood. And like I said, the best thing about it is that it's OEM, so you can't go wrong with a, where's the tag? Oh, it's over there. OEM, boy. You gotta love OEM stuff. That's the way to go. We're just gonna hang the hood from there and that's it. Well, there it is. I mean, it's only temporarily while I sell it. I don't think it'll take long, more than a few days to sell. These things sell pretty fast. Kouki parts, everyone's doing conversions or people crash them or whatever, but yeah, it's good. But I think last thing I'm gonna do is, oh no, almost messed up these keys. Last thing I'm gonna do is somehow rig up this until I'm order the latch from eBay. It's 50 bucks, whatever. But I'm gonna latch another bungee cord off of this latch and somehow rig it up to fit somewhere here. And that's gonna wrap it up. I mean, it's latched on. I don't think it's going anywhere. I need to buy the little bump stops that go underneath here so it could sit flush on both corners. And that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah.
You might be able to wrap the cable like a little, like another loop under to make it tighter, but
Yeah, but
shouldn't go anywhere.
I probably won't even drive it until I get the latch though. Put the lip, came from Canada, OEM style lip, which I think is probably the best looking one for this bumper. If you had the JDM front bumper, then I would have gone with another one, but I personally like this USDM one better. It just looks mean. But let's see, how do we put this? I don't know if I should take off the bumper or raise the car on one end or whatever and make it easier, but let's go ahead and try and open this. Hold it. Let me make a quick time. Wanted to go a little bit lower, but being that this lip is fiberglass, I probably won't be doing that. I'm probably just gonna run a media tire. Media, well, this one's not media at all, but bigger tire size to make up for the fitment. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna fit pretty good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, much better. Alright, let's see.
We'll put it on, take it out in the light so you can see it a little better.
What do you think? We should remove the bumper or?
That, or we can just jack up the car real quick.
Yeah, we'll push the car in a little bit and then jack it up. Just mocking up the lip. For being aftermarket, the fitment is pretty damn good. I actually like it.
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
I hope I don't mess it up in the first couple of days, but if I mess it up in the first couple of days, then I'll just go ahead and buy the $400 OEM one.
Oh no.
After shipping, like $470. So turbo. So now you know why I didn't go that route. The hood was pretty pricey, but
Actually, we need this one.
all right, cool. Hey,
Papa just gave me that run.
so I mounted this side of the lip. It's already all screwed up and everything. Looks really good. So now I gotta do this half. Probably jack up that in and go ahead and do that. The Hoonigan videos. That's a wrap.
Yeah, we're about done. What do you think? If you don't like it, don't say anything. Yeah, bro, same.
He's not gonna get fed for a week if he barks.
Same, bro. I don't really like it. No, I'm just kidding.
Let's move it out real quick. Let's move it out real quick in the sun. Have a better look.
Still a little dark.
Yeah, I think I have to move it to the. Yeah. Let me see how I move it.
Needs a wash now.
First wash of 2021. What do you think?
It's a lot better.
Better with a hood and better with a lip?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Did a pretty good job.
That looks mean. That's the look I like. I'll probably just go ahead and throw on the carbon design wheels just to match it up for now and drive it around. But other than that, I think I'm done for now. I mean, until I spray it or something. I'm gonna just put the get the OEM style side skirts, throw that on. I think the guy had some side skirts because you can see some residue from it, marks and stuff, but I like the OEM style side skirts that these come with, like the lip. Just makes it look much better. Yeah, but let me just go ahead and wash the car, and I think that'll be it for this video. I mean, I don't want to show you guys washing the car when I've done it before. So go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.